Excuse me. Just ate lunch. It's something going on here. How are you guys doing today? Well, as you saw in my last video, plastic. I'm unwrapping an Amazon package. I'll tell you about that in a second. I'm getting ready for the trip here, all as well. Just trying to get a lot of my music projects done, which I'm kind of working on that now. I'm venturing into a new genre of music I've never written before, but I really want to get good at it because it's a very highly demanded genre. It's called dramedy. If you ever listen to these reality shows or some of these comedy shows where you hear it gets quiet and something's supposed to be funny and comedy, and you hear this gink, gunk, 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 ding, these little bells and these little string plucks, and it's quirky. They call it dramedy. It's like dramatic comedy music. Very popular. So we're working on that, and I'm working on another project I'm finishing up for another publisher. It's, keeping me busy. That it is. But I'm unboxing some Amazon. I'm going to tell you about what I got here. It's the purpose of this video here. Is that the first thing I got here, it was like $10 on Amazon. And I got this from Maddie. That channel, Maddie Van Halen. If you haven't followed him, go follow him. He's a very nice guy. And Maddie, if you're watching, thank you for the tip. Maddie got it from another channel. And it's an automatic water dispenser, but it's powered. It's actually a battery powered, and it's charged by USB. And the brand, man, I tell you, there's not really a brand on it. But if you look up USB automatic water dispenser on Amazon, it'll come up. And for like $10, I'm going to generally assume it's a Chinese-made product. The next item I'm going to show you that I got is definitely a Chinese-made product. It's going to blow your mind if you haven't heard of this, but we'll get to that in a second. But this thing here, I'm just getting it, so, I don't do like these big unboxings or anything like that, but because, it's just nothing special. It's just a box, and, stuff comes out, you got a manual, and you've got your product. Hoping the product is in good shape and everything was shipped to you right. So let's see something here. Let's get everything out here. More plastic. Here's your USB charge cable. Here's tubing that goes down. It's supposed to, how long is this? It's supposed to go in 5-gallon containers. But I have a sneaking suspicion I'm going to have to extend some tubing, but I don't know how I'm going to do that, but we'll see on that deal. Here is the spout, the nozzle, whichever direction that goes. I'll look at the picture on that deal. Where's that box? Oh, box is in front of me. There it is. Short end coming out like so. So all else fails. If you don't read the manual, look at the photo. That'll do it. So we're going to charge this up, and it's really cool because it'll go in any, it's really not just for RV usage. You can use it anywhere. You can use it at home. If you, let's say you're having a big party and you want a big 5-gallon jug of water that people have access to fill their cups up, well, guess what? This will do it. And it's charged. Okay. So you just insert your tube here. I'm going to assume this. I just kind of look at things differently. You know me, typical guy. I don't read the manual at first like I should until I tear something up. But insert the tube here. Now, don't want to push it. This is as far as I'm going. I'm going to read the manual, but there it is. And water comes out. I'm not going to turn it on yet because I don't know if they tested it with water or not. But there's your USB inlet, and it lights up. Nothing intricate, nothing greatly special, but it is cool. But your instructions, here's the typical made in China right here. That's your manual, one little piece of paper. But it really isn't all that intricate of a piece of equipment either. I paid almost $11 for it, so go figure. So that's going to be pretty cool. I'll have it just in case I need it. I'm still juggling because I've done a lot of the packages of bottled water. It's easy for me. But just for the fact of the room in the van, if I had a bigger RV, it'd be different. I'd strap down a big 5-gallon jug like you do in those big water dispensers and put this on top of it. But strapping it down and travel with it. I don't want to keep it in my front seat. Honestly, the best advice I can give you if you're in van life traveling or even RV and you don't want to leave a bunch of stuff in your front seat that people could snatch and grab, keep it pretty much empty up there, everything out of sight. Because no matter where you park, people may look in your windows. Don't do that. Probably best to cover your windows so they don't see that stuff. Don't do that. I don't want to leave any water jugs or any dispensers. Like, you know, they might get thirsty and want some water, and they're like, I'll just take his water jug. You'd be surprised how desperate people get when they get on drugs or whatever the circumstances may be. It may not be bad, but it's bad if they break your window and break in your car for something that petty. Well, moving on, we got that. That was $11. Little gadgets like that are so cool to have. Next thing I got, this is going to blow your mind. I paid $60 for this camera on Amazon. I looked up on Amazon to see what the price was going for the new GoPro cameras. And people are like, man, for what you get with this, why buy a GoPro? Why do you want to spend $250, $300 on a GoPro camera? This supposedly has a wider lens. It's 16 megapixel, unlike the 12 megapixel on the other, which I'm not a photographer and I don't really get into a lot of that, but you can change your resolution from 2 megapixel up to 16. 16 is cool. Wide angle lens is a lot of things you can do. It is 4K, and I know what you're thinking. And whatever you're thinking, I'm thinking the same thing. When's it going to tear up and fall apart? For $60 for a camera like that, really, you get suspicious. But however, you look up the reviews on this camera, it's so highly reviewed. Thousands of reviews and people love it. It's called the Dragon Touch Action Camera Vision 3 4K. Just look for the cheapest price you see, because there's some that are Prime recommended. Just make sure it says that. There's another brand out there. It's the same camera. I think they just have a different name on it. Within $60 to $80, and the light's doing weird things with my hand. Isn't that weird? At least from what I'm looking at, it might not on the video. But anyway, it's waterproof. It has the backlight, the LCD on the back, like the new GoPro cameras do. Because I've got a Hero 4, which is in the 4th edition. It didn't have that. You had to buy it separate. But this has the waterproof cover on it. Now, I have a gimbal, but it's for iPhones. And I was looking at the gimbals for these, and they're like, it connects only for GoPros, but I just need the gimbal. I don't want the automatic button to power it. I'll just hit the button if push comes to shove. However, I might be able to rig the gimbal I have and use this, because I really need to try to get that resolved. Because when I'm traveling in my videos and the camera's just doing all this, I'm real bad about that. I need to at least have a good, steady camera when I'm doing this stuff. I'm not a big video editor. I've said this before. I do music for film and TV. That's my forte. I don't put major concentration on video editing. There's some things I do and some things I don't. I don't have to. It's just... it's all about what's going on here. As long as I have good quality video and audio, it's really what I'm concerned with. And audio is my forte. So let me open this thing up here. Let's see here. They sealed it, all professional looking. And I assumed it was made in China, but I looked at the box and it is made in China. My assumption was correct. Very few times do we assume, without making an ass of you and me, no pun intended, that we are right on that. So I was correct. I was so correct on that. So, there's your camera. This thing, it's the first time I'm getting this. Never held one of these. Look at this. I can tell you right now, the lens is already different. Look at that. Looks like a little, it's the same size as a GoPro. Look at the attachments. They're GoPro all the way. No wonder it's ready. Look at these buttons. Everything is waterproof, and the camera comes out of the case. It connects USB like a GoPro. And I have to take it out because I've got to get the film off. It's going to tell you before you get started. Unpackage it, get all that off. It's protective film. You've got protective film on the thing you've got to take off. I'll do all that later. I'm not doing it on the camera, because this is not a review about cameras in general. But I'm showing you what I got. It's kind of cool. So if you don't think you can afford a good camera to do YouTube videos with, think again. This was $60 on Amazon. Somewhere in that ballpark. Price changes, but you got tax, and if you're Prime, it's free shipping. So it got to me within a few days. I'm gonna use this thing, man. But what I want to do is I want to free up my iPhone. Listen, my iPhone is the ultimate way to do videos. I get it, but sometimes I have to have access to my phone, and it conflicts. I'll be doing a video, and my phone will ring. It'll cut the video out. So I need to have that second camera. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my other GoPro camera when I'm driving down the road. I've got a little disc that I put suction cup on, and I'll have that facing the front, and I'll just turn it on and do videos of driving down the road, and I can flip it. I can do anything I need to do with it. But that's the camera. Let's see. They say there's more attachments. Bunches more. They say for what you get with this, for $60, the attachments, it'll blow your mind. The box is very small. Not that the box really matters. People have such fascinations about the box and the packaging. To me, what fascinates me is what it comes in. All right, so here's another backing plate for waterproof sealing. I don't know what the difference is with this versus to what I have, except the slits for access. I need to read up on all this stuff. But look at all this. You've got cable ties, cleaning cloth. You get a second battery, unless that's the first one. I think they said you get 2 batteries. 2 batteries that are, here we talk about watt hours. 1,050 milliamp hours, which is 3.85 watt hours. It's equivalent of about 2.5 amp hours, maybe. For whatever, you can calculate that in your mind if you want to. I'll just go with keeping it charged. There's your guide. We're going to be reading that. On something like this, we need to read. Here's another mount. Pretty cool. Look at that. Another battery. And then I got 2 batteries. Same battery. Pretty cool. It's like a Christmas stocking. Straps for your wrist. Velcro stuff for the cameras. What else we got here? Look at this mount. It's for handlebars on a bicycle or something, or whatever you want to do. I don't know what this mount's for, but another mount goes on a unipod, tripod, battery charger. Look at this. 60 bucks, folks. So, like I say, I'm thinking the same thing you're thinking. When's this thing gonna fall apart and crumble? Based on the reviews, I bought it because it's all good. So we shall see. More mounts, more attachments. There's your wrist strap, or another type of strap for Velcro. Look at this, more mounts. I think they're duplicates. There's a third one like it, duplicate. You get activate your 2-year free warranty. Now, if you've bought stuff on Amazon that was Chinese made and weird companies, sometimes, like I bought a Wi-Fi extender that I still yet to use that they did help me on. I thought that was cool. Sometimes it's hard to get warranty or even get in touch with these people and that deal. So, but you know, I'm gonna activate that and say you never know. It's 60 bucks. It's a bag of groceries at Walmart. If I look at it that way, it probably don't make much difference. Here's another mount, which is cool. These are GoPro mounts. So if you have a GoPro gimbal, this is going to work for it. Look at this. I got more. This is a little clip, like a belt clip mount. Let's see here. Here's your remote for your switch. You've got a remote to turn it on and off. That goes with this. I'm going to assume it because of the width of that strap. They say there's a wrist remote that you can do that. It's kind of cool. I hold it in my hand. I don't think I want to wear it like it's a watch. And a second charge cable, or did I? Nope, this is the reverse charge cable. Pretty cool. Anyway, I'm babbling here, but look at all this stuff. 60 bucks. This thing is a rave review. I'll definitely let you know on this as I use it, because we're using it on this trip. I intend to do some great video capturing of this trip and do the best I can. Now, I'm not the storyteller Casey Roman is. She is fantastic at that. But rest assured, you'll get the good general idea of what's going on. It'll be cool. Anyway, this is all good. All is well. We're just getting a lot done here. And I will keep you guys posted. I'm looking to leave, as I said in my last video. Oh boy. As I said on my last video, somewhere around the 28th of August. And I will keep you guys posted on this. I just dropped this second battery. Not that it hurt it. I need to go grab that. But I'll see you guys on the next video. And I hope that you're doing well. Thank you for watching. Be cool. Bye.